Hi there and welcome back. My name is Mina Sabzian. I'm a graphic designer. Today we want to learn together how we can create typography design in Illustrator. Open the Illustrator and make a document here. I made it and I filled it with black. And I wrote one alphabet here, like whatever you like. But I should say that the font which I'm using is Lobster Regular. For if you don't have this font, you can go to Google Font and you can search it here. It's free and you can download it and bring it install in your computer and again come back to Illustrator. After we wrote this letter here, I'm just switching the fill and stroke here to see, and I'm going to increase the weight of this letter. Now I'm coming here and right clicking here and making we have to first of all to create outline here. Then I'm going to use direct selection tool and I'm choosing this point here, and then I'm coming here to control panel to select the cut path at the selected anchor point, and I'm clicking here once. Again I'm coming here and I'm choosing this part, and again here I'm clicking this button here. Then I'm going to choose both of them with the help of direct selection tool. I'm going to ungroup them because they have to be ungrouped to be separate from each other. Then again I'm coming here and I'm choosing release compound path. When we are making this compound path, you can see that they have broken in two parts. After releasing compound path, now I'm going to choose this part of this type letter and bringing the color of black here, and I'm going to change the shape of this stroke here. Now again I'm going for this and changing the color of it to white, and changing also it to this form of stroke. Then I'm going to choose both of them. I'm going to blend and blend option, specified steps 10 here, and I'm clicking OK. And again I'm going to object, blend and make. As you can see, with the help of this technique, we were able to make a beautiful typography. I wish you learn this technique and you are going to use this technique in your design. Whenever you need some typography and you want to design it, it can be one of your choice to do it. If you like this video, please like the video and subscribe the channel and hit the bell button for new update video. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye.